Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm logging in live into Street Smart Edge. Let's look at the charts. Here are 5 stocks I am looking to buy in this run-up. We are having a huge, and I mean huge, rebound in the markets. I told everyone 2 days ago, this was an overreaction. And when overreactions happen, you want to buy the dip. I did alert, let me pull up the Discord for you guys. I did alert Riot down here. As you can see, where are my alerts? Here's the alert room. Added Riot at 806, 300 shares. Then I added 500 at 8.40. And I've been accumulating these as the dip keeps on dipping. But guess what? Just because it keeps on dipping doesn't mean you should be fearful. It's the time to accumulate and let other people chase it up for you. That is the name of the game. Of the game. Hopefully I don't get demonetized by saying gay, but added 200 shares at 7.30, 10 shares of Nvidia at 93.80. $100 and under is a buy for Nvidia, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Nvidia is always going to be a buy whenever it dips under 100. The next time this thing runs to 1,000, a lot of people are going to be kicking themselves for not buying that dip. And as you can see on the monthly chart, Nvidia is being bought up here at monthly support. So that one is a bear market buy. And I would look for this one to bounce to 122 in no time. Riot stock, another one to accumulate here under $10. If we switch to the weekly chart, you will notice if I grab this horizontal line tool, I'm going to draw support for you. And here is resistance. So the stock has been going sideways between $9.60 and $18. Right now it is underneath that. This is the first time since June of last year that we've seen this stock dip to $7, and that's nothing more than opportunity to buy the fear. We are recovering today, and what I am looking for is a breakout above $9. If we can get Riot back inside the trading range, we will see this continue back to 12 and possibly as high as 18. We don't know when the bear market will start, just like we don't know when the bull run begins. What we can do is position ourselves when stocks get real cheap. Another stock to look out for is SoundHound AI, which is up 19.77% on the day. We do have earnings coming up in a few hours as well. If we have some good earnings, we're going to see this move a couple dollars. Well, it can also go down a couple dollars. Let's be real. We've had a big move here, 20% on the day. We could see a sell-off for earnings. This is something we haven't seen, something we have not seen before with SoundHound is huge buying pressure going into earnings. So it's a little bit concerning. Usually that means people are buying in anticipation of good earnings, and then it gets dumped in after hours. So be very careful with this one. Other than that, I would expect a beat. Palantir a couple of days ago reported earnings, and their financials were looking fantastic. You look at the balance sheet, you look at their income statement, and they continue to grow. So right now, anything AI is very hot, and SoundHound literally has AI in its name. I would look for a beat and 100% in increase in revenue, because they've been very bullish for their full year 2025 revenue numbers. So keep an eye on this one in after hours. We still got 2 more. Tilray stock. This is a wheat stock. This one is a buy at around $1.60. Anytime it comes down here, it's been an opportunity to add the dip. You can see the trading range very clear as well. You're noticing a pattern here with the stocks that I trade. I love trading ranges because the strategy is very simple. Here's the top, here's the bottom. You want to buy at the bottom. You want to buy cheap. So look to buy at around 160. That's what I'm watching out for here on Tilray. And finally, silver stock. I have not bought silver in a long time. I did buy physical silver. I had like a little container with silver coins. It was awesome to hold physical silver in my hand. And I sold it for 20% gains at a shop in Downers Grove. And I flipped it for 20%. So that was awesome. But I'm not going to buy physical silver anymore. as good as it feels to hold that physical silver and gold. So I would look to buy silver. Let me zoom in on the chart. This thing bottomed out at 21 to 20. But right now we've created a new high of 24. This is our higher floor. Anytime this thing comes down to 24, this is a buy. So I would look to buy silver under and around $24. So I wouldn't buy it right now at 25, but it looks like this is going to be our new trading range. This is kind of a thing that happens in the markets. We bottom out somewhere, we go sideways for a few months, maybe a few years, and then we finally make a big move to the upside, and we establish a new floor and a new top, thus creating a trading range, and we rinse and repeat this strategy over and over again. So silver, another one on my radar. That is it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to join the Patreon, go to patreon.com/shadesandtrades. Link in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next one.